friends, time for a technical update on the markets. The markets opened with a gap up today and it continued to gain strength throughout the day, ending the day with an 88-point gain on the Nifty. Major contributors to the rally in Nifty today were the banking stocks, which with ICICI and HDFC Bank contributing majorly towards the rally. Reliance and ONGC also contributed a significant portion to the rally. An interesting observation today was that the market breadth was negative, with 699 advances to 762 declines. Now let us have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that Nifty was consolidating in a sideways manner since past few trading sessions, and today it has given a break on the upside. So we expect the rally in Nifty to continue up till targets of 6600, which is very close to our short-term targets. We will increase the targets in tomorrow's trading session. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has formed a diamond pattern which has been broken on the upside, and it has also taken support at the upward sloping support trend line shown. And the hourly momentum indicator also has a positive crossover, which indicates that the momentum in Nifty is likely to continue further on the upside. Now let us have a look at the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, similar to the Nifty, was trading in a range and consolidating. This range has been broken on the upside. This chart looks similar to the chart of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, which are the major components of the Bank Nifty, and we expect the rally in banking stocks and Bank Nifty to continue for a target of 12,650 and 12,950 on the upside. Now moving on to some stock specific idea for tomorrow. Traders can go long on Andhra Bank with a stop loss placed at 57.40 and target of 61 and 62.90 on the upside. Now similar to the chart of Bank Nifty, Andhra Bank has formed a sideways consolidation, and today it has given a break above the upward slope or downward sloping resistance trend line. It is trading above the 20 and 40 daily moving average, and we expect Andhra Bank to trade with a positive bias in coming trading sessions. That's all from the technical trading desk. Thank you.